We fight crime using the same strategy. And when it fails, we say, what a tragedy. There must be a better way by Latoya Patterson. There must be a better way. Me said there must be a better way. Because what we have now just can't stay. There must be a better way. The crime rate seem to increase every year and nothing change. It's like them no care. We fight crime using the same strategy. And when it fails, we say, what a tragedy. Them say them a try, but me just can't see. So every night me have to go down on my knee. Them send children to school without book. Yet them parents wearing the latest look. Children every day them misbehaving. It's like them not have no home training. Families not doing enough socializing, but yet still them reproducing. Children don't want to go to school and learn because there's no guarantee that this will make them earn. Because all we can see is unemployment. Everywhere them look is disappointment. Some want to grow up to be scammer because all them see is the glitz and glamour. The government don't seem to have a plan. Them leave with a suffer and a criminal hand. Everywhere we look is mismanagement. What else we are going to get from the establishment? They must be concerned more with winning the election and them lack interest in curbing inflation.